So, could you give us some examples that you've commonly seen where a business has one or more deficits of the three principles that you mentioned?
Yeah, absolutely. One thing to really point out about the model is if you have a deficit in processes, if you have a deficit in automation or visibility, you're going to essentially stunt your ability to grow. And the model is a really good way to look at a business analytically, like through a lens, and see how am I shortcutting myself, or how am I setting myself back from growing? And we work with businesses frequently. They come to us and maybe they don't have their processes well defined. Don't have very prescriptive processes. They're afraid of being what they would say is too rigid because they want to give their employees freedom. And what they don't realize is that by giving their employees a defined process, giving their team a defined process, they create freedom for their team to execute well because their team wants to do well. And
Right.
they create freedom in their business by guaranteeing the results and giving themselves the ability to grow and expand.